Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be well. So, welcome again in Ablam Public Senior Secondary School, Nigasan. So, dear students, before discussion the topics, we learn about the some good manners, such a way that be polite when someone serve you. जब भी आपको कोई हेल्प करे तो आप पोलाइट रहिए. Be polite when someone serve you. Okay. Thank you. So, dear students, today I will learn about the patterns. In the last video, we explained the question number 6.1. After the question number 6.1, we solve the next questions 6.4 and 6.3 and 6.2. That will be your homework. Okay. Question number 6.4. 6.4 saying that observe the pattern in the following figure and write the expression for the n cases. We see here that case number first, how many boxes are present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number of boxes are 5 in first case. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 boxes in the second case. And after that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 11 boxes. Okay. So we should write here the rule for n cases. What to do the rule? Rule will be first term plus n minus 1 because we have the expression in nth case. So n minus 1 into common difference. Common difference means 8 minus 5 we get 3, 11 minus 8 we get 3. So first term, that is 5 plus n minus 1, common difference means 8 minus 5 we get 3, means second term minus first term or third term minus second term. Common difference, we have common difference is second term minus first term. Okay, so first term, that is 5 plus n minus 1, and common difference means 8 minus 5 we get 3. So 5 plus 3n minus 3, then 3n plus 5 minus 3 we get plus 2. So it will be the rule. So dear students, please solve the B part 6.5 and 6.6 and 6.7 also. Thank you. Now we learn about the practice question 7, which is simple equation. Okay. Simple equation. Practice question 7. Now practice question 7. In this practice question, we there are equations are given, so we do the find out the solutions. 7.1, use the trial and error method, choose the correct options. What is the solution of the equation x upon 6 plus 10 is equal to x? Okay, so using the choose and trial method, it means when we putting the x is equal to 1, then 1 upon 6 upon 10 does not equal to 1. Okay, if solution 7.1. If x is equal to 2, then 2 upon 6 plus 10 means 2 under 2, 2 3 are 6 means 1 upon 3 plus 10 does not equal to x means 2, 2 के equal नहीं है. Now if x is equal to 12, then putting the in equation, x equation is here, x upon 6 upon 10 means 12 upon 6 plus 10, 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, so 2 plus 10 we get 12, which is equal to x. So it means the solution of this equation will be 12. Clear? So dear student, please solve the B part. Now we solve for 7.2. 7.2. 5 upon 14 is the solution for which of the following equation. So what to do? We हम क्या करेंगे? We put the value of 5 upon 14 in all given expression. There are two methods: putting the value or solving solution of equations. So we take using putting the value. So value is 5 upon 14, and first equation is x upon 5 plus 6 is equal to 20. So putting in LHS, putting value in LHS, x means 5 upon 14 upon 5 plus 6 means 1 multiplied by 5 and 14 multiplied by 5 plus 6, 5 cancel out, 1 upon 14 plus 6 does not equal to 20. Okay, it means 5 upon 40 is not solution of this equation. Putting the value of x 5 upon 14 in second equation is 5 upon x plus 6 is equal to 20. So putting the value of x is a 5 upon 14, so it is a 5, value of x means 5 upon 14 plus 6, so it will be multiplied by here 14 multiply 5 upon 5 plus 6, so 5 will be cancelled out, 14 plus 6 we get 20. It means 5 upon 14 will be the solution of second equation. So dear student, please try to for this and this also. So dear student, please solve the question number 7.1, 7.2 and 7.3 yourself. Thank you and have a nice time.